time being, we're going to be moving on in the bulletin now and tell you how a major tragedy was averted in Jammu and Kashmir. Well, 15 kilograms of IED was recovered from Pulwama. This IED was planted on a vital road where army convoys keep plying. Well, let's go across to Arish Bilal, who's joining us with more on this. Arish, any the crackdown which has happened so far on the people, the perpetrators of what could have been a very, very serious and severe crime?
Definitely right, though no arrests have been made so far, but the police understands that this can be the handiwork of either the Hizbul Mujahideen or Lashkar-e-Taiba, because these are the two groups who are very active in South Kashmir areas. And if you remember, in Pampore area, 3 army men were killed in a militant attack just 2 months back. And this location where this 15-kilogram IED has been recovered, this is just 2 or 3 kilometers away from that location. So definitely a very busy route for the army convoys, and this IED, which as I said was 15 kilograms in weight, was definitely targeted at some of the army convoys who keep passing through that area. So yes, the security forces are very active, and this recovery is happening at a time when the army chief visited the Kashmir Valley just yesterday. And remember, this is the second such recovery in last 1 week. On 25th January, another similar IED was recovered in Batamalu area of Srinagar, and that was aimed at disrupting the 26th Republic Day celebrations. And yesterday, another big IED has been recovered in South Kashmir, which definitely was aimed at targeting the army convoy.
And that is a constant pattern we've seen, Arish, isn't it? How it is the security forces who are repeatedly, well, in many would say, sitting ducks. They are soft targets, and they are time and again being targeted by militants.
Well, that's definitely right. In fact, during the last 6 months, we have seen a spurt in militancy-related incidents in South Kashmir, and we have also seen that a number of top militants have been killed in anti-insurgency operations in that area. And remember, during the last 6 months of Kashmir turbulence and unrest, the militants have got enough time to consolidate their positions. But now the anti-insurgency grid, the security forces, they are trying to put their act together, and they have launched massive anti-insurgency operations in South Kashmir. If you remember, just a couple of days back, 3 top militants were killed in an operation in Pahalgam area of South Kashmir. So the security forces is trying to maintain their pressure on the militant groups as well.
So Arish, keep tracking all the developments which are happening on that case. Hopefully, very soon, the perpetrators will be caught.